हेलो गाइस। नमस्कार, सलाम, नमस्ते दोस्तों। HTML ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज के पार्ट 2 में आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है। HTML ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज पार्ट 1 आप सब ने ज़रूर देख लिया होगा। अगर नहीं देखा तो ऊपर दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें या वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसका लिंक अवेलेबल है, वहाँ से आप इसे ज़रूर देख सकते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करना ना भूलें। तो आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
As you see here, I already create some basic structure of HTML. So whenever you start your coding, first you have to open Notepad. I already explained you in my first video. After that, whenever you open Notepad, you have to first set font settings. Click on Format and Font and select Arial or Times New Roman font, normal font. इससे क्या होगा कि जब भी आपने कोई प्रॉब्लम आया आपकी कोडिंग में, आउटपुट आपको प्रॉपरली नहीं दिख रहा है, तो आप आइडेंटिफाई करना ईजी हो जाएगा। आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू HTML इज नॉट अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, सो HTML डोंट हैव अ कंपाइलर। तो कंपाइलर नहीं है तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा है, उसका मेन रीज़न क्या है, कौन सी लाइन पे एरर है। तो एरर आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपके फॉन्ट्स नॉर्मल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट एरियल और टाइम्स न्यू रोमन नॉर्मल फॉन्ट, डोंट सिलेक्ट एनी कर्सिव फॉन्ट, okay, don't select any cursive font, only always select normal font and then regular or narrow, and then select font size as per your choice, at least 16 or 18. Here I select 36 because I want to display my screen to you so you can able to see properly, and then click OK. After that you have to start writing first HTML. So see, you can see here I beginning with capital HTML and ending with small HTML. So I already explained in my first video, HTML is not a case sensitive language, so it doesn't matter, you can write in capital letter or in small letter, it's okay, there is no matter. Now first of all you have to write HTML, and then open inside HTML you have to open head tag. Inside a head tag there is a title tag, okay, title tag. Don't make any mistake for writing any spelling, otherwise your output will not display. So memorize some tags spelling properly. So write title and then write your title, whatever title you want to display. For example, I want to display title HTML tutorial class. This is my title. This title will be displayed on the browser title bar, okay. After that, writing a title, you have to close the title tag with the help of front slash. That also I already explained in my first video. You have to close your tag with the help of front slash. So as you already know, on the keyboard there are two types of slash are available, front slash and back slash. So don't use this black slash, you have to use always front slash and close the any tag. After completion of title tag, you have to close the head tag, okay. So what is the use of head tag? Head tag is useful for further programming whenever we are include CSS programming with HTML, okay. So right now you have to just understand and memorize कि in HTML you have to open head tag, inside head tag open title tag, because you want to write title on the title bar of the browser. After that you have to close and head tag. Now after head tag you have to open body tag. What is the use of body tag? Whatever you want to display on the browser window, है ना। आप जब भी कोई वेबसाइट देखते हो तो वेबसाइट कहाँ पे दिखती है, वो जो एरिया में दिखती है वेबसाइट, उसको ब्राउज़र विंडो बोला जाता है। तो वहाँ पे आपको जो भी कुछ दिखाना है, दैट यू हैव टू display with the help of body tag only. Inside a body tag, whatever you want to display, you can write here. I already written some text here, you can see. So this text will be displayed inside that body tag, the browser window. After writing everything, you have to close the body tag. and after closing body tag you have to close HTML tag also. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे मैंने फ्रंट स्लैश का यूज करके ही इन टैग्स को बंद किया है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ HTML कोडिंग. नाउ आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज यू हैव टू सेव. So how to save this file? Just click on save or save as button, and this dialog box will open. Save as dialog box will open. You have to select your desired location where you want to save. For example, in my computer C drive, select a C drive, and in C drive I already create one folder, star group. If you want to create a new folder, you can click on this new folder button. Now I want to save my all the HTML pages in star group folder. So just double click and you can see star group it display here. Now in file name, box you have to write the suitable file name, proper file name. This is my first page of HTML, so I write here first page, and after that this is the file name first page. After that you have to write the extension, so make .html. you can write HTML or HTM anything, and then click on save button. So you can see on the title bar of this notepad window the file name will be display, but extension not display here. So you have to memorize whenever you are going to save your file, you have to always write extension .html. okay, now we are going to open that HTML file. So see how to open. See, this is my my computer, and then local drive C. Inside local drive C there is a star folder, and inside a star folder there is my file will be display here. So before this name you can see here the browser icon will be display. Why? What is the reason? Because I written .html extension. If you forgot to written .htm or HTML extension after the file name, then this type of browser icon will be not display. So which type of icon you can see there? If you forgot, then it's automatically treated as a text file, and the extension is txt automatically accepted by notepad. So if you cannot able to see the browser icon, any browser, not only this Google Chrome. In my computer there is Google Chrome. If your computer have a Firefox or any other browser, so that icon will be display if you write .html extension. Now let's see the output. So right click here and write and say open with Google Chrome. So now you can see here the title bar, HTML tutorial class. Whatever I write on the HTML code window, you can see here in title tag I write HTML tutorial class. It will display on the browser window title bar. Okay, after that this area is called a body part. So in the body tag I write here, hello, I am Pankaj Shah, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Pankaj Shah. So I write this message in the body tag. Yes, I write this message in the body tag. You can see here. So this message is display on the browser window. This message will be display on the browser window. You can see here. Okay, so in this is a basic structure of HTML. Now you can see here I want to give a break. Hello, after hello I want to transfer this line, I am Pankaj Shah, on next line, and welcome to all of you on third line. So it's not possible directly. You can see here in code window I already written on another line, but then also it will not reflect. So there is a one tag, it's called a BR tag. After hello I write BR tag, and after I am Pankaj Shah this line I have to write here BR tag. Now BR tag is a tag which is empty tag. So there are two types of tags, empty tag and container tag. So container tag means what? Like HTML is container tag, the tag whose open and close is a container tag. Body tag is also a container tag. It's opening tag and closing tag. But BR tag is not a container, it's an empty tag, means we open this tag but there is no need to close the tag. So I write here BR tag after hello, please memorize this, and after I am Pankaj Shah, this line I write BR tag. Okay, now I make changes in this coding, so I have to save first. Just click on save. Now our file is already created, so click on save button and then jump on the browser window. Okay, jump on the browser window and just click on this refresh button, or you can press F5 function key on the keyboard also. So you can see the effect of BR tag. I write BR tag after hello. Okay, so this is the effect of BR tag. Now next one more content is attribute. I want to decorate my web page. I want to change the background color. Right now there is a white background color is available here, so I want to change the background color of the web page. So how it's possible? With the help of attribute of body tag. So inside a body tag, please focus on my writing. Inside a body tag, just make space, one character space, and write BG color, COLOR. Don't write COLOUR. Okay, computer always follow American English. So in American English we write color, spelling is COLOR. So BG color equal to, in double inverted comma I write here YELLOW, and then double inverted comma complete. Okay, now what is BG color? BG color is a attribute of body tag. Okay, so now I make changes here. So write once again we have to save the changes and then jump on the output screen. Just press this refresh button and you can. So that's all for today's class. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो कृपया लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करना ना भूलें, ताकि YouTube चैनल इस वीडियो को और भी लोगों तक पहुंचाए। यदि आप चाहते हैं कि इस तरह के वीडियो के अपडेट्स आपको निरंतर मिलते रहें तो इस वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करें और हाँ, बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलें। गुड बाय, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।